The mihi animas chataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jan po, SDB. We are now in the 5th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our liturgy for today is very nice. It's presenting to us the reality that God is calling lahat tayo to become His disciples, to proclaim the good news to our brothers and sisters. But the question is, ano yung tumitigil sa atin, pumipigil sa atin for us to respond to this wonderful call of God? Most of us reject the call because we feel that we are unworthy, na hindi tayo karapat-dapat pagtiwalaan ng ganitong mission. But the message of our celebration is very nice because God is not calling us because of our perfection, na dahil wala tayong pagkakasala. No. He wants us to proclaim His greatness through us because God can change us. God can transform us because of His love. And when we experience this love, this transformation power of God in us, that is the thing that the Lord wishes us to proclaim. Kung paano tayo binago, paano tayo inibig, paano tayo ginabayan ng Diyos upang tayo'y maging isang disipulo. It's not all about our greatness, but it's all about the greatness of God's love and His mercy and His compassion. Kung gaano katindi ang pag-ibig ng Diyos na kaya niya tayong baguhin. Kailangan lang tayo magpakumbaba at magtiwala. Ito po yung sinasabi sa atin sa unang pagbasa, wherein Isaiah said, I am not worthy to do these things. I am not worthy to proclaim because I know who I am. Alam ko ang pagkatao ko. Therefore, the Lord sent His angel to touch the thumb of Isaiah, a symbol, an act of purification. God purified Isaiah, and God asked him, I want you to proclaim this wonderful experience of yours to your brothers and sisters. Ano sinabi ni Isaiah? I could not but share what I have experienced from you, my Lord. Send me to your people. Ganon din naman po yung na-experience ni St. Paul in our second reading, wherein siya mismo nagsabi, even the title of being an apostle, a disciple, I am not worthy because I know my weakness. I know my sinfulness. I persecute Christians. I am not worthy for this mission. But because God has purified me and God allowed me to experience His mercy and His compassion, I could not but share it to you, my dear brothers and sisters. It is not me that I am sharing to you, but I am sharing to you the greatness and the power of God if we allow Him to transform us. Kung kaya nga po ito yung sinisigaw ng ating salmong tugunan, no? In the eyes of the angels, I will forever sing your praise, O Lord. At ito po yung experience din ni St. Peter in our gospel for today, taken from the Gospel of Luke chapter 5 verse 1 to 11, wherein the Lord asked St. Peter together with his companions, buong araw na kayo nagtrabaho, but go cast your nets once again to the other side. St. Peter, pagod na pagod, sabi, Lord, buong araw na kami ng trabaho. And kami mga fishermen, you are a carpenter. What do you know? But because for you, para manahimik ka, makitang mali, we will do what you said. But because they follow the Lord, they witness a miracle. And in that moment, St. Peter realized his weakness, his sinfulness, judging the Lord. That's why he said, Lord, I am not worthy of you. Go away from me. I am not worthy. But the Lord said, no, Peter, because of that experience, that is what I wish you to proclaim to your brothers and sisters. Now you will not catch just fish, but you will catch men by proclaiming the compassion and the mercy and the forgiveness of God in you. My dear friends, this is the message of our celebration for today. It is not who we are, what we are, but this is all about the greatness of God, the transforming power of God in us. Kami nga po mga pare, this is our feeling, that we are not worthy of this calling, that we are not worthy to be called a pastor, a priest. We are not worthy to be the sign of Christ to the church, because we know who we are, what we are. But as we journey in our formation, we realize it's not us that we are proclaiming. It is the power of God's love and mercy and compassion. Kung paano tayo kayang baguhin ng Panginoon basta magtiwala at magpakumbaba lamang tayo sa Kanya. It is not us, but it's all about Him. I think, my dear brothers and sisters, this is the message of the Lord to each and every one of us. Let us humble before Him and allow ourselves to experience Him, to experience His mercy, His compassion, His love, His transforming power in us. And in that experience, we will gain what we're going to proclaim to our brothers and sisters. And as we share the power of God in us, we are fulfilling His call. And that is to become His disciples, to proclaim the good news to our brothers and sisters. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.